NIGO maraibwense Koumerana n'abarwaneri b'ekiama gia UDA ime y'enyomba enene ey'oburai OMOYEGA OYUO bareta amo abarwaneri chiribu 12 chimi 354 NIGO oikeranwa n'abarai ime yense naboigo b'ekiama gia UDA egati yabo mokonyi b'omuraibwense Kithure Kindiki monene bw'abawaziri Musalia Mudavadi n'omurai w'ekiama gia chama cha kazi Moses Kuria naboigo egati y'abarai bande
okwana hekerekyo Ruto NIGO bono aine kyanga abakorie gasi bari bonsi bakonyora engeria yabo inse yechiribwe 50 bari gochigwakana ebango erigo keya ebirengo byogokoka kubugima Moske Kindiki boigo NIGO nera ribagana komotogia umuraibwense ase amagendro abeire kagokora se chinsemo au morikito Julia Hobuba agotomanyia se injiro BAIKERANA
ikibamba sana wapi tutamwawa UDA chama tawala kazi ni kazi na tamu ni mwekse
Ritkoria rero NIGO enyomba enene y'oburai yaonchorana kobegeti gia siasa maiga y'omuraibwense Koumerana n'ABANASIASA gwetaina chiribu 12 bari bakorigie ebirogo ao bege siasa gwetere kiama gia UDA chinkwana ne chimeme chintindi chege siasa NIGO chiari byarire ime y'enyomba ya State House kagokwana ase OMOYEGA OYUO omuraibwense William Ruto nigarerekana koptora chinyororo cy'omuzigo omorito w'abakenya bogwakana ebango OYUO abeire okubanaria goika korebo kemebuko yabo yemisara.
Mumesikia Profesa vile amesema bunge ikifunguliwa in the next week tunapeleka mapendekezo kule bunge. Kila Mkenya ambaye mshahara yake ni 30,000 na kuja chini hakuna kulipa ushuru tena. That is number one. Because we have steadied the economy. Tunaelewana, my friends? We would not be able to reduce taxes if we had not set the foundation right. And that is why we are going to Parliament. We are now saying that any Kenyan who earns less than 30,000 shillings will not pay any taxes. Number two, we are saying any Kenyan who earns up to 50,000, we are reducing their taxes from 30% to 25%. 1.5 million working Kenyans will not pay any taxes. 500,000, another 500,000 working Kenyans will have their taxes reduced from 30% to 25%. That is how progressively we are going to make sure that we manage the cost of living so that the people at the bottom of the pyramid, we can be able to support them.
Omokonyi bw'omuraibwense Profesa Kithure Kindiki n'amatogia Ruto ase egasi engiya anene mono ase ensemo y'amasomo ase okubarika abarimu naboigo kwagacha ebirasi bya esukuru boigo n'amoko boko Ruto ase okurusia ebanga ase abakenya.
William Ruto has already employed 100,000. We are remaining with 16,000. Na hii mwaka tunamalizana na hiyo commitment. Rais Ruto ni fire si fire. President Ruto's administration has also built 23,000 classrooms. Is in the process of building 1,600 laboratories. This February, tunaweka sheria bunge, tukiongozwa na William Ruto. Any Kenyan earning below 30,000 will not pay tax. Ni fire si fire. Ni fire si fire. Wale watu ya Zakayo wamezama wajazama. Watu ya Zakayo wamezama.
Omonyakero bw'ekiama gia UDA omugabana bwe county ya Embu Cecily Mbarire nigagokera ase ABANASIASA gwetana chiribu 10 gochora ekiama ekio.
But I'm happy to report to you, Your Excellency, that today we have 149 aspirants for the governor's seat. We have 279 senators, aspirants for senatorial seats. We have 323 aspirants for women representatives. We have 1,372 aspirants for the MP seat. And we have 10,230 aspirants for MCA seats.
Julia Obuba,
Harambe!
Insoko TV.